Good evening, everyone. My name is Sagargan Pratbhagal, and today's date is 13 July 2021. And today's Viva topic name is query for the SQL. First query. First query is the write the query to the display the name, first name, last name using the alias name for first name and last name. This is first query. This query for answer for the select first name as double coded single coded first name uh, comma, then last name is as single coded as last name from employees. We can be all output from the first name and last name all the tables labels. Then second query for the write the unique get the unique department ID from the employee table. Find the unique department ID. Firstly, you can get the from district can be used for the all district for remove the duplicate ID, and district from department ID from employee. We can be find the all the unique ID from this. And third is get the details employee according to the first name or descending order. We can be the descending order for the employee. Then select star for from employees. The star means all the select from name, and order means order by first name. We can be sort the table from the sort the table from the first name. Then fourth is the employee ID. Name for first name and last name. The salary is ascending by salary order. We can be we can firstly for employee ID, firstly select employee ID, then first name, that last name comma from employee is order by the salary. We can be output from the salary, ascending order for the salary. Sort the salary. Then sort the salary. This is the then fifth mean can be we can be find out for the maximum and minimum salary for the employee table. We can be find the maximum and minimum salary for use for order by firstly not order by firstly select max bracket salary from employee table. We can be find the maximum salary of the employee. Then next is a minimum salary of the employee. The select then a max minimum in a bracket in a salary and is from employee. We can be output from the program is minimum salary for the out from the this salary. Then next question is for the numbers of employee working on a company. We find the numbers of employee on the company. We can use for the count. Then select count and star can be indicated for the, all the employee. Then from in employee we can be find the all the element from the we can find the all the element from the all the element can be find for the tables. The next is the get the for numbers of designations available from the employee tables. We can be find the designation table is firstly select distinct job ID from employee table. We can be find out the all the job are in a company. Then next is the query with first name will be employees table will be uppercase. We can we find out the all the employee can be first name can be in capital letter. We can use for the select from uppercase, and in uppercase inside the first name from employee. And we can find the all the employee name capital letter. Then next is lowercase. We can be use for select lower first name and from employee. The first all the employee first name will be small letter. Then find the last is the first three character for the first name of all employee. Mm, we can use for the select substring first name Jan one, first three first three letter can we find out the name. Then for starting for length first and ending for three from employee, we can we find the first three and first three letter from the all the employee letter. Then last for the basic, we can we find the calculate the 171 into 214 plus 625. We can we find easily for you for easily find out. Then next can be used for the next query for and then next query is find display the first name, last name, and salary. All employees, the salary is not be ranging 1,000 and 15,000. We can easily find for the select first name, last name, and salary from employee where the salary is not been 10,000 and 15,000. The or another salary can be sort from the tables. Then next is display the name, first name and the first name and last name, the and department ID, and all the employees in department ID is 30 or 30 are ascending order. We can be used for the first name, last name, and department ID from employee where department ID your department ID in 30 and win and order by the ascending order in department ID. We can be sort for the department ID. Then next is find out the query for the query for the first name, last name, and salary for employees whose salary is not be ranging 10,000 and 15,000, are the department in 30 or 100. We can be find the we can find the first select first name, last name, and department ID from employee. The salary is not between the 10,000 and 15,000 and department ID in 30 1300. We can be all the output pending coming from this sort in the output find out this equation. Then next is we can be mm, next with the query for next query display the first name, last name, hire date from the employee who is be hired the 19087. We can be found the date hiring date from the 19085 years. This hire we can we easily find out for this easily for first name, last name, and hire date from employee, and where hire date like single coded 1987 it's more. We can be find easily all the employee joining from this 197 it can be find. Then next is can be write the query from display the first name all the employees who have the both A and C character for their first name B and C character. We can be find the B and C character for the first name of the employee. We can be find the select first name, then employee, then where first name like B, single coded mod B, or B mod, then complete, and first name like single coded mod C mod. We can be find the one name from Bruce this can be found from the this equation. Then next is display the first name, display the last name, job and salary for all employees. Job that from programmer or shipping clerk. The salary is not equal to 64,500, 10,000, and 15,000. We can be easily found from the first last name, job ID, and salary from employee. The job ID in IT programmer in single coded, and SH clerk in single coded, and and salary not has been between the salary has not between the 400 4,500 10,000 and 15,000. We can be easily find out from the other easily find out the other salary other salary clerk and IT programmers. Thank you. This is all about basic query for the SQL.